Share the video. Apuro na Esther, apuro na o. Ese waga kweo. Don't be lie. Oh. Apuro na Esther, apuro na o. Ese waga kweo. I take me no one myself. Apuro na o. Ese waga kweo. Asikpaka, skeleton of a baby. Apuro na Esther, apuro na o. Oh, yeah, we see. We see nonsense.
Questo è il tuo nuovo materasso con un click.
Buona Zamuria.
Approfitta ora delle offerte.
International, popular, there you go. If you not loyal,
it take me move. Anyhow, it take me more. You suck your work up. It take me move. Esther, what more story? Oh yes, Esther, your work up. It take me move. It take me move. It take me more. Yes, Esther, your work up. Esther, oh, take me move. If I'm not figuring what it could, watch out, boy, young go. It take them, but don't we not see Esther? Esther, yeah, my go turn. Esther, you know, oh, yeah, BECKY, that way, yeah, me go Kireneko. Kenaga mi yo mo. Where you to Esther? No me kenam ye bade. You went go no la. Okay, where you with doggy? Okay, where you was down on top. Share the video. Share the video.
Sono
Share this
arrivate le
video.
nuove fragranze di coccolino profumo per bucato elixir. Da oggi con una formula scintillante, arricchita con la tecnologia Perfume Lock. Nuovo coccolino profumo per bucato elixir. Da oggi molto, ma molto più che fresh.
Water. Oh wow. Oh wow. Doggy Pokemon. Wakbobo Esther. Hey, shame and disgrace. See commander. See commander. Hey, from married woman, you turn to single mother. Oh. Esther go be edokpayi ni ago yo boy ke single mother na. Oh, single mother nyeri o. O bono ro wo do ne mo ni me ko. Okay, single mother na. Single mother with stupidity. You know. Oh, I don't go ga video na. Ati Esther go be edokpayi no. Hey. Wow, Esther. Oh, yeah, edokpayi no. Okay, single mother no ya do me. Okay, single mother no. Oh. Oh, no, forget about ebagua teri. Okay, single mother no. Oh, okay, ebagua before. Okay, ebagua before. Okay, single mother no. Unuta no meko. Okay, single mother no. Okay, we need take the museo. Oh, yeah, Esther, yeah, single mother no. Okay, single mother one no. Oh, yeah, single mother go. Or where we need ye like mother, like daughter. Well, Esther over ebagua. Okay, single mother no. Mama, no hip-hop mama. Good, no hip-hop mama. I cannot really go you. If I know Motiano, not last time, the webo. Esther, the webo, or the webo to Sua, or the webo to BECKY, or the webo to Esther, get my wati and car or water. Married to my yagari, okay, we got your webo yedu. Oh, it's a webo, oh no, he's single mother. Are you Verona? You know your pomu no man. Oh, you Verona. I know your boy, I mean, no well. Oh, welcome back, but no. Oh, yes, you go more than no. Oh, Esther, yes, you go more than no. Oh, yes, you go more than no. Oh, yes, you go more than no. Well, no wonder. No, you don't get single mother. Oh, edokpayi. Oh, ebagua. Esther go be edokpayi. No, ebagua one no. Okay, single mother no. Unyiwe negwa no. Oh. What do you see your dog? Or see your dog Esther now? Oh, see your dog name on you, and set it your water yako. Oh, see your dog name on you, and set it your water yak. Esther no see your dog name on you, and set it your water yak. Unyive wanako, na ya jo water yao. The rock back was ako. I'm away talking of your name. Wage monogele, e yasu ave munekone. Iya munekone give ye dome, amagi mi odono wakoni yao. Meneko wakona, esta moye neko. Omoye neo, ona wekpa yo wadore. Ori moye neko, ona wekpa yo wadore. Ifagwa wana hiko, adeli yekeneke kwino. Ogagugu, owo sawe ni eko. Osanori odonwe, agiri ewa yo wadore. Ula yo wadore. Uke single mother. Owe yangi bebie, owe yangi single mother ni yedome. But congratulations to Esther. But we congratulate Esther. Who was the got another year now? Ewebo. Huh? Kiamu ba me no keke o. Oh no we looking na get them to say ya o. Don't you why ya? I know my drink. How are you? Ebe. Can no really know you. Can no really know you, Papa. Yeah, quiet. All right, my people, greetings to every one of you guys watching this broadcast. Let me call the music shop here. Oh God, what's going on? We'll be able to start Sharply, I see the hole in the ball. I want to share the video. You get what? The video don't get. Say no to Europe tour. Since yesterday evening. Now, since I know come out yesterday evening for Facebook. I know say I did it up, but many of my Facebook fans, they don't know say I did it up yesterday evening. I know the Facebook I did it up. And first of all, let me say a very good day, good night, good day, good morning. Depends on wherever you watch this video from. Just take a look at that. From Facebook, when I join for YouTube, sharply I say how to go on very, so that I can just talk straight, fear. If you're watching me from Facebook, you can see the link that is being pinned down there. That link, so click on the link, you will be right on my YouTube channel. I will call the Facebook now so that you will join me on my YouTube. And I'm back for that for Facebook. While I talk for National Peace Story. So press that link as they look me so. Press the link. Oh God, you know that here. I said make una join me for Facebook, for YouTube. Now they pack the come, and they pack the come. Now they pack the come Facebook again. I want cut Facebook so the link did the press. You know the Facebook, you know they are spiritual. They be spiritual. Don't say they be spirit. This Facebook will be spirit. When I never say I did YouTube, now people they watch me. Me say I say I want to go YouTube. I don't know if I can go. In fact, Facebook na back for now. Okay, can you imagine? I never said they go YouTube. They're not plenty people watch me. Never said they go YouTube. All of the upper home. They get to Facebook. About Cotton. Japan. So my people, greetings to every one of you guys that are watching this broadcast. Who are amongst the top for National Peace Story. You see, my friend Victor Umenwan, the social media king, the social media kubano, the social media otutu no wine, the social media enyowa, the social media akobisi, the social media avielele, the social media susu, the social media bomo, monarai baba with a smile. I do my drink. I want you. who are amounts to talk for national peace to reign. You see, anytime you think see this video, just watch them. Only just they listen to my voice. They listen to the voice as the vibes. Before I go start this saga today, saga. Let's. Before I go start this saga, let me address some issues. Please share this video concerning me particularly. The fake rumors where they carry up and down. The reason why I want to address the issue because of my lovely fans, not because of that person. I know who anybody in this nation. Need to like to talk about me. You understand? Day before yesterday, I leave my house to be purchase something for Africa shop in my city here. We have a drink beer in my city here. I give them something. I give the person something. Because the person they bad, it did there. So we can bring something come from. Which I want dash the person the thing. I'm not gonna mention them. So I wrap up for nylon, carry good the bar, give the person drive from us. On the as I reach there, I see my club member to just drive come home. This one everywhere really hot. And so we sit down the malls, they drink beer normally. You understand? So when they drink beer, normal level, we drink beer, the place they come dark. They dark also there. So one of my friend in Pekin na Enwa, he did the former city we have a day. Zagarello and the man day. The man gets injury for hand for way for the work. You understand? So he come buy bag of rice for the Africa shop. So the guy from one help and carry on, go house. You understand? Or use one hand to the carry and go bus. I mean bus where bus for the bus stop. So now I cut my advice. Say, bro, see this is our brother. He has no fire. Make we just use motor drop him with the road for house. Never second problem. Now I remember myself carry the bag of rice, open boot, put the bag of rice of the space I would the man do Africa food, put up for boots. And I say, hey, may you enter front. He can enter front, me can enter back. And I play the video for him. Me can enter back. We could they drive, they go the man house. So as they go the man house, I also they do life. And they do life, they play music. And the music will be professor carry song. I just said car was usually drive they go the man house. Go drop the food stuff for the house with the man. They drive, come back from my house. My guy come drop it from my house. You understand? Now the video with this. Now live video, not saying a recorded video. Live video, live. You understand? Live video was live. A day ago. You understand? Live video, not be recorded video, live video. You understand? So they drop it for us. I don't know whether for year and for no more say Frank go party, they pursue for party, they beat them for party, they no agree me enter house for party where they do. So people don't pursue Frank for party. I don't know where that news come out from. I don't know who generates the news. Where the fools for social media they carry up and down. And one thing is sure, one thing you should also know. Ask me your code day like this so. Party we don't invite, we don't get IV. For abroad, I'll go. I'll dress, go see now what they find. Now food that they find, but now drink, now tennis, now they find they go the €2 tennis. Am I mad? You understand? That one they one side. And you can't expect for this abroad who this so. I'll go day party or I'll day club or I'll day bar or anywhere. Somebody come meet me for this say they want to follow me fight. Police not go involve. You're supposed to know. You're for people who not supposed to know. I'm not gonna let that person. You know, still get party when one go enter. Say I they enter the party, say don't go, come no enter. I'll call police. They go tell the police the reason why they say they not enter the house. They not enter that party. They go tell police the reason why they say they cannot enter that party. What did they do there? You understand? They go explain the business, where the transaction, where they go on, or say that how, where they will speak and enter. That can't not play. You understand? So, you just make an address that one. Leads you. For those they talk anyhow for social media, you understand? They carry fake rumors. You see the reason why I still remain the king. I know they talk with him, I don't know. The story we are not know, we don't clear for me. I go slice on. I go bone, no say I don't hear your bone pass because I don't get concrete evidence of it. Now story where I get evidence of it. Now the sagale man they put for the talking with the hit my chest. Say yes, not truth. Because prove come anywhere, prove and I'll give you proof. And that kind of story they talk. You see all this one when they find talk with one talk, and not get on content, or they find distraction about this say no to Europe tour. To Europe tour, it no go bar. Because I'm waiting I stand put. The ancestors stand put. The those women abroad stand put. Even people for Nigeria still stand put. Say no to Europe tour. Oh God, I know my drink. You understand? So, my G, my guy, who not find another thing to talk. Who don't big for the industry. That's just the way it is. So, Lord bless you. May God let you not use no fake life, fake news. They blow. And everybody find what you want to blow. The one way we know, now means they blow. But my own will be fake. Or you know, one side. What? Keno gberiyan biziyan o. Epi ko no ro yo ri o. Off wagbe. Na so ne. A page in me now live video. This is Semi Oyewe. You understand? Semi Oyewe now live video now. This is Semi Oyewe. What do you expect? Maybe the person will get the page to. Talking about Vienna. I got back on the video you like me. You understand? Semi Oyewe na hinya. You want me now live video. You understand? Take almost to have Vienna. So oravie wa me boy. Wala ho. Wa ni France me. Wa dere ya we yan me vie. Wa fi to we niyan. Or if possible what the bucket in yan vie yo. Because me really have here how I want you yere. How I you. You understand? So if you not see say they cry, woman last all those are the big so if I don't true with what I do, this my movement. If I don't cure this my movement, reach at least like 1 year, I'll come answer them. No, not until they answer them. I only touch them 1-2 times. They go they crap for 1 year. Any why solo, the one solo. Iye masa or serene, yari, ordinary was stable. Now, I come outside that one after the other, I started to deal with. He says, "Oh yeah." I can make it Western one year though. There's a poster I want to show you. There's a video. I mean a poster. Yeah. I want to show you. But when I help me share the video. How truth is this? Okay, let me read. Maybe. Now you get when I calm down. I don't want to laugh. This is very, very important. I don't want to laugh. Now, sub and nominates. APC support and what? Nominate. APC support and nominates Prince Edwin Idahosa, social media president, Ovia House of Representative, House of Rep, right? God. Powered by concerned youth of Ovia. Wow. I'm not feel laugh. A true voice for the voiceless. On the list, the kind of person where the Murphy be in the nine list for years. So you see, Eddie Murphy is a true voice of the voiceless. And a champion for the quality representation with a personal commitment to free healthcare and free education for Edo people. How do we get here? How we tell this share with this? Who print this paper? It not go better for you. The person who print this paper, take on full of the muffin, it will never be well with you. It not go better. It not go better for your mama. For you to just look because you want to come full of the muffin. Well, it might also be possible. It might also be what? Possible, because if Edo State can elect an illiterate as a governor, what do you expect the full state to be? If Edo State can elect an illiterate as a governor to be ruling a state where we have 60% of literates, Edo State who has 60% of literates now has a governor and some illiterates. So if this kind of thing occur there, it's not be problem, not be bad thing. It's great. It can happen at their time. It's a regime of illiteracy. Yeah, the regime we have now in the Edo State is a regime of illiteracy. Or for their own selfish interests. The APC. You can imagine. Person that don't know how to read and write. Person will not feel right. Then, oh God. You want to go to the president of here? I'm not sure that you're of here where we come from. I don't think so. No, does it mean now say election now in Edo State now? Person no person. That's it. And that's why I think now person no by qualification. Not by qualification. Now person no person. Because if not by qualification, this guy don't go work as a gate man. Oh no, come. No, I won't shift to the truth. Because I don't say this now just print this to come out. This not before be real. Because even governor of Edo State don't give this guy appointment. Appointment when not give another guy the crap. Oh my God! Now you want to run for House of Rep. Okay, we will vote to Your Excellency. Your Excellency, Honorable Prince Edwin Idahosa, will assist you. Let's leave our quarrel. If really say you this now real, if this now real, say they really run, you want to really run for Ovia. Now, good to say we see one of our presenters. We go for Abuja, represent Ovia, represent presenters. So at the moment you are down with her, let's stay very careful, bro. Me and you, this one you do so me and you know the quarrel again. We don't be friends now. If you call me and we will talk, they will lie. You understand? You know, see my matter. And everything bad me na social media today. So we feel aligned. This one, if not true, so you want really run for House of Rep. Shaking all day, bro. With me, you are covered. With me, you win now. Sharply, no go play. With me, you go really enter that place. But you go do me some favor. You go pay. Baba, you call me. Make I use my platform tape can pay for you. I go really do one. Can pay for you for free. Not be free, bro. I'll campaign for you well. Not be saying about I go campaign and you will really know, yes. Now, Frank, I go print banner. I go mobilize boys for my word. I go win my word for you. You understand? I'll clear my word for you. Well, as obvious as who. I'll clear obvious for you finish. So, bro, I'm only now $50,000. $50,000. Give me the $50,000. You don't get chicken. Let's go to feed. Let's go walk. You understand? I like it for talking and I read. I mean, I know the joke. I know the car. $50,000 is very, very important. If you give me the $50,000, forget and leave everything for me. You don't win and be that one. It's simple. You understand? Not be joke. If you serious, so if you really serious for this thing, so say you really want to enter House of Rep. See, and father House of Rep never this one. Give me $50,000. Leave everything for me. Your nego finish the whole Benin. I go use your name pest the whole local government for Benin. Now you they go dey vote for. If there is still they go see Prince Edwin Idahosa. Vote Prince Edwin Idahosa as of rep. Vote Prince Edwin Idahosa as of rep. Vote Prince Edwin Idahosa. Anybody for Benin they sleep. Which they go hear that vote Prince Edwin Idahosa as of rep. Vote Prince Edwin Idahosa as of rep. Now what you gonna see? Bro, do one fast or time all day. I don't get time. $50,000. Make I drink it. All in that for. So that daughter win the ticket too. Okay. No, if you bring the daughter at the buffet, if they contest, the buffet will win. We don't know that one person. Someone will use our money to buy karowat, buy what they call the gun makeup and eyelash and knees. These are only buy knees finish. Of your money, 4 years we rule of your money now you take buy knees. You understand? As social media president was wise. I do. I don't finish. I swear to God. All right. May God bless the country. May God bless the king. Bless the governor and the deputy governor. May God bless them abundantly. You understand? Please. When they pray for that country, that state, when they pray for that state. Because the state is really sinking. They sink. You understand? They sink. But we thank God that because for our ancestors, they don't go sink finish. You understand? Because the rate where APC did now, if you tell them the truth about themselves, they attack with the media, or they attack you. But definitely, you know, keep quiet. You guys will still keep talking. I greet you all with better style. Now let's back to this muggle. This muggle, this useless woman, call herself Esther. No, we will edokpayi ebagua. Now, my people, Esther say, now me fair come and say, in the husband house. Anybody want toaster? I mean, go toaster now. Hello, man. Oh, Joutier.
Oh, social media president.
Oh, Joutier.
Oh, social media president.
Oh, Jenny, see where you.
I just want to announce that I will join you.
Okay.
Please put my name on the list.
Okay.
With that ticket, you know, I know how to follow the whole market. I will go and confuse all the market women.
Okay.
To vote for him. You know, I know how to follow.
Some market.
This one is not more 7 markets. It's all the whole market in those states.
Exactly.
And I don't mind travel the village market.
Okay.
So that they will join us to vote him in. At least he said he's going to give free education to
our children.
At least all the village in our school now they go free. This is the second Obemutia.
Exactly.
Thank God. Yeah. That's my contribution. Please add my name.
Okay, thank you very much.
Once your list is done, if the money come to us, let us know.
No, well,
no. That ticket, you know, it's not hard now.
God bless you, man. That's the women. You will be the women leader. You will be the women leader.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, we must win when we go to home.
And the movie must win this election. Oh, you don't get woman leader. And you don't. Your election not complete. Free money come. What? See, people want. They want vote for the movie. The movie. We are going now. Working on the governor now. Hello. What up, baby? What up? Off with me. Real life video. Madam, where you me? Madam, where you me? And then I didn't sound in the corner.
Social media president, where down in edokpayi. So, stop. Now, we're going to have a job with the idahosa. When we are blasting him,
Mama, forgive you because you have blessed Naya the kebab in there. God bless you. I want to have. I'm winning not that blast. I'm winning not that blast. I'm blessing. I am with the mafia. You are dead. Oh, God, do you turn it? Thank you very much. Where's it? Thank you very much. May say go support. But my brother, now money first to if you give me money, problem not the my food chest now go take and pay for the muffin. I know the joke, I know the crap. This will not be no forget quarrel. Me and the muffin with the quarrel fine, but this campaign. So now this one we talk about Ovia and what it concern the state will come from this one. Go leave the quarrel for side. But if he pay me the money where I don't need now, I go just mobilize people for Nigeria. Well, you understand? YouTube, everything. If picture go buy all the full of you and the movie picture go dey. You understand? That one a small thing. Hello, senior man.
Hello.
What's up? What for good?
This man.
I greet you.
So you watch you me that wana, yeah, my brother. He go with time any or 20 big brother. We not make $100,000 or €100,000. You know what I'm saying? Because man, we because again from here. Go bring people, come from happy and all those people for happy and go loot them, come settle them. Involve money, security everywhere tight. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because TJ won't the chama no you know what I'm saying? Now what you know I can still you know stand now if not say in that he go need 20 maybe you maybe 20 when I weigh €50,000. Now one pick 100 because man we are he go now where he moto a low Weka wa mano say 10,000 euro you win motori. Imoto no vie mari auto nima.
Yes.
This one a clear battle. This one a clear matter. This one not be say should be mama fly. You know stand here. Now a man na normally liking a man be voting. A man be no be query different bodies. Be an voting. You know stand now. Now even we has 10,000 where we are motor we are shatter. Now even we are gani or we 30,000. Inigo we are with security or 50,000. Now we have where we tell him clear where the near 40. So we sukawa odugun. Where so you go bumping.
I will go with the background.
When I think by Ilan, okay, Nick Maria will do it by Ilan in Ubetamia.
Yes.
If you have a cabin who have sexy women, have all those people who get sweet mass, who know no gossip. You know, understand? Okay, no, so no one because I saw what you or tip back.
Yeah, the body is supposed to have back up. Let me back up. Oh, it's all now, man.
Or one need mobilize. I want mobilize him for different corner. Not to go the land. People go day. People go full everywhere. They go show say man. Na he carry I voted na. I ring the your way. A word now. We did not bargain or boost or na when the tech been. You know stand. Exactly. When you can't make go date make go max. You know stand.
Yes. No. What?
Wano or involve you 50,000 euro in or 20. If we are with 50,000 euro, in also about that can 3 or 4,000 euro because in many go bana how we are wapa.
Most settle me for grant.
Yeah, million or 300 million, 200 million, 150 million based on the job we know. You know something now?
Yes.
You know, stand. Or you work on my web even or cost you that kind of 100 million or time I will not time away. You know, something now. Even we're turning away 60,000 and 55,000 euro, 100 million. Over 100 million in a nata where maybe you want it. Where can the we had to mobilize him away or consuming that can 70 to 80 million.
No be lie. You're right. I can't carry that one or so. Yeah.
Why I saw do I knock him out, but who knock him out? None, when we are because I get many people will get boss for being there. I think if you bring 20 boss come now, the few enter one side, go pack people come. You feel me?
Yeah.
Area go your spoil. Area go your spoil. Who no one vote for her, go vote for her because money day. You understand?
Exactly.
You know. Everything because mobilize people or they put up because I get no one will be brother. Every after before.
Yes.
You know understand now?
Yes,
everybody fly down. On the actually fly, everybody fly down, we mobilize, we do things, we march, everything clear.
Exactly.
Because I told by now you know stand. No stand.
When my brother and so many no mean want to do bam up and yourself.
Money show. Man na money show na. Money show at least na Euro boga.
Yes,
10,000 euro na money. 5,000 euro na money.
Yeah, good develop. Okay, good develop can make buy.
So the good when you go it goes. It goes also 25,000 euro, 20,000 euro. Forget it good. You go to man.
Oh my God, you.
That we go in there 2,000, 3,000, those 5,000, 3,000. Oh, they go there 10,000 euro. Brother Pufu, just the way very marewe bonana. Umana banimana. Manirewe bokyati dolo washi. Emena kata. Oba seki owonokewe borino. Iye otiye no bianie tie. Owonokewe borino. Emanirewe bokyati dolo wonishi because my taking no sense.
Yes.
That when you know mo irokpe wo jove ya fe otiye ni meti like a natural. It like a no gentle no luadi of Europe. Obe mi pa no ta. Owe mi asunu we Canada. Owe state ni iye kwi border. Omani iye fresh that is Omani that is where you fish Latvian.
Yes.
Or when the system of the mana or when you marry no G. You got watching news in Ogatana. You got watching news in Ogata. I like that guy because from the experience of the Europe Nogaje, the Canada Nogaje, or experience, Miami experience of a wepo, and no sense in no sunu do Omonore we bona rukbo. Esunu ologo era naga ilakbawa. Anyone who ya bill every affair when you gan. That is the two way supporting me down. You feel me?
Yeah.
Because no man having a web bullshit, no man experience a web bull ya affair. We got more you post it. Acting but really may get the more fee as a president of no him. But then of any experience is so in work by no fool. You know something now?
Yeah.
Of any experience is so well where at least a win manner. I get it be a way by my people. We will mana dollar. She be up your money, my you wa. I want to hear to do tea in my body, and I want to hear to do league in my body because ebo dollar will not she, manaro, ebo mana dollar, she might stay up. And now, I want to stay away from him until you get webo. On a Gary governor, may I say, I want to win a Zoom, we mafia, no, we know that. The highest mafia, if I don't say 3 to 5 years. Oh yeah, we the highest mafia. And then you are 80,000 euro for instantly. I go is 40,000. Oh, we are not going to be a year. And when I remind you for 1 year, I can be for we know you are. Any also suppose no soon where we man. I want to stop on we. Here with police mafia. Oh, no, we stop on we. Here with soldier mafia. Abi, and I'm here with any Yaspotcho and Idani. That's and the way you know so any year. You feel me? I flush a wet again. This is the Euro system in Aboyado experience with Mana because me yes with Mana in even in Mana dear. They Mana my backbone, my body Nigeria. I thought the Jemiji and I miss go more than Balama. I thought the France, I thought the Taliji, I thought the Yaji, Yana Balama, Yana Shatu. I'm an I thought the Jimu. Ekrimakete amatology. Mani that we bono heti tolo washi. Ema tamawe maita. Many a lot janina. Opa mabaki. Nigeria stage. Mighty campaign here. Meti la de social media. Yeti la de Tito. Yeti la de okay. A made our support to it. Yarubo Yaku. E call him on him. Where we call. E not by we call. Okay, no soon. Here we are positioning. Here we are positioning. Obedi manovere we bono with the capacity. With here, already a post, only they continue running. You feel me?
Yes.
Because we are going here in Europa, Europa don't want back tomorrow. Oh, here na Muria, here my invest here too, here my way up by to money we manage when we are done. Here we share normal back, normal make sense. Yahoo, a man share, worry, my patako,
task every year, task.
And the way I invest you to, we do where I will copy near. And Anakina is hospital near Bonakina Aero. They got a scare for investment. That one I'm no sense now. Oh, no, area where Bono here on the Regina area. Mota Mama were in a guy governor of Edo State. I will not be stubborn. I don't know if on a sport show. I don't know if on a Katkati. And Fenny Akmanuderi. Oh, understand the Kenya where Egan your face. Egan would you stubborn or stubborn with the way I jet and who can also know you wake up. You feel me?
Yeah.
Because a lawyer in Nigeria, a lawyer Umana, or why you sick Bomawa, or Mave Yapele, or money no Peleni, no Name Fe. If any many if you when you Yapele, maybe a level, or I will bono, a government yaki with you. You feel me?
Yes, you are right. God bless you. Let's go back to our topic. What?
Okay.
Must go soon.
Okay, brother.
Yeah, still on the Esther edokpayi ebagua. Esther where that thing in how we live video where Esther is not single. That way I have to stay. Am I lying? Esther, are you not single now? Esther, when I'm again, where I'm with Buwek Babu, a Monica. Ne Monica no ana seguro return a bride price in there. Make the guan yo. Amy can't be winning for her. To a soon we're getting. We have with Buwek Ba, who give Monica. A work can have it like however can Zoe. If I ball out with Bobby says, no, I know one, and never let me be one. God, mirror with the Eramato. Azenoyona ya kaka na kaka. Lare obi sisi. Ina water. Single mother we hina. Ni single mother we hina nia. Waga ibo mi no the stage verona. Obi sisi no water. Watch the video now. Let's go there. Ibiado. Osalobwa no be wa ama. I pray may God bless our women. May our women they go higher. May they go forward. You guys have to start praying. A blessing, slow bless Esther, slow the big blessing here, lawa. A blessing. Next after him, or slow blessing, and never a good blessing. A blessing, bo. It's time well. When devil give you 20 naira, you collect 100 naira for your hand. That's the reason why they see people will say they get problem, they won't go solve their problem for Shirohine. Next they go say bring cow, bring this one, bring goat, bring a llama. What you go your say, Father Lord, every spiritual problem, every this one, I rebuke it by fire, by thunder, no one ever. Just with your mouth, speak with your mouth, because why? The Bible said the power is of our tongue. The ability for you to speak it up and believe in it, it works for you. Next thing they will collect goat, now almost one goat in the market. You collect dog, you collect chicken, you collect pig, you collect tortoise, you collect Congo meat. For just one small problem you get. Who they lose is you. At the end of the day, now the same Father Lord, help me Lord, never solve the problem. That's good. Now, Esther, edokpayi can't get husband after 4 children. God can give her husband. Wow. They want to help me clap for Esther. I work for born Esther, where my guy. I go make born Esther. I go make born Esther. Yes. Why go make born Esther? Because Esther my easy. Esther the last word honor the destiny. Honor look back behind. Look back low. Honor lo our me o ya le wa o. Honor yimi honor vie egba ikine gbesta e make no disability. Honor vie pu e. E destiny gbe kia you Esther na wu he na yin na wu yi na wona said. Yin na wu yi ma ogi no. Destiny go be bagwa na sika Esther. Honor agogwa vie o me aga vie hu yin a vie hu honor agogwa honor ga sunia honor ga gun. Esther, you go be ebagua. Okay, bagua. Ona win your word is not a madman. Ona when ewo yalare. Ebo yalare wa dogo me osare rume ama osare rume osare rume sanera me wa irume obuyi me wa uhe me sanera me wa muhe me wa muhe me wa muhe me wa dogo no samu me destiny igbe ki ayi na ko. Destiny na uhe. Destiny mau. Destiny na amu na amara Esther. Ona mari. Ona ri Esther. Ona ri ona amigo. Ona mu Esther hu. Ona ya pa o weno ya tino, weno ya timo. O when Esther ya timo, that is sneezing leg like toothpick. Ana ya pe, ana yira pakbe, ana pe Esther welawa. As custom and traditions demand. Ana pe Esther edokpayi na pa owo na lawa. Esther la what anywhere. I think I have a video to play. I get many videos on my phone. Video boom. Esther. Now why I go can kado kado. Why go make a video now? If you do watch show a video now, watch split the video. Share where. Update.
Hey, wait, my people, I'm gonna go buzz.
Okay. I said I would edit that video. When I was done, get many videos. Okay. This one I when I started it come 2019. I want to give Kuwagwani Hana.
My people, make una watch this video. This one is Skeleton Song 2019. You say if you want no people way up, just use money to test. And then you go no say that.
See, leg will be like toothpick. Hey God. Hey, we are there. We are there.
You will see.
More we are there. Relax. If video be before now. Evidence here. Bo. It's a bo. Back this way. Iran. Video bless you. Wadogozago Otewe ni ezago we destiny. Wadogozago Esther go ebagua. Wadogozago Otewe ni ezago we bagua. Wadogozago Wagestago Otewe ni ezago we bagua. Wagestago Otewe ni ezago we bagua. Wagestago Esther we dago we bagua. Wagestago Ono muye akwụkwọ nwe muye no muye yekwa gestago owoke ebagua otewe ni yezago we bagua wadogo zagwa otewe ni yezago we bagua wadogo zagwa desina gbona gogo desina ogemile sokuzebudi o ma ga nye nwunye mu yuwa eziza ogun ogbaze wadogo zagwa otewe ni yezago we bagua wadogo zagwa otewe ni yezago we bagua wadogo zagwa otewe ni yezago we bagua wadogo zagwa wadogo zagwa otewe ni yezago we bagua we ga miesta we azem ya lele magazine azem ya lele wa ga enia udare area Idele odoren odoren awon da gbogbo ya hun media fake life useless song Fiam Wagagbon Idele Wagagbon mona sila evil woman for life Esther ọsẹ ó ní ẹgbẹ́ destiny wọn èmi kà ọmọ pé Destiny wa. My people, agree to know better style. You see the video we I do for that on Sunday. Before that day, the video we affected talk to Esther say, wahala lo wasa ogbe o. A video ni na do gosa go yiwo video ni. No trigger Esther. Next time a video no stay problem with now. Now, after that video, my Destiny go on the phone. We talk well. We talk, we reason normally as a guy, man. Destiny not tell me say, if you don't know where now, Destiny watch the video. Destiny was watching the video. When I do that video, they addressed Esther, this useless woman. A Destiny mahawe, remember, if you don't know where now, where go, I'm going to now. I don't talk about like that. I don't talk to your wife like that. Because Destiny knows your wife na musician. A wife na musician. And we are saying, say no to Europe talk. To who? To musician. Nobody has what with this ass. For all this we are saying, did we insult a word? My people, we talk to a word na musician, but tell what they come Europe. Did we insult a word? No. Who would it be for? Now musician when they come from Benin, they come abroad. Esther one form say, me and the husband and paddy, may we use that familiarity. And he see say, he don't use the husband. That's it, they talk to me, not true, not because of Esther. Not because of a word. The Destiny good see when la concerning this Europe talk. With that word, with that star, Destiny. Destiny, what good tima, who the musician, who that word no, who that make one. No, because of the Benin musician, the Benin's entertainment. Estimina te uni en suffer yo. Because estimi dege we no hian devil down. Estimi have done this city. The stone when they fall the console. Say this stone goes scatter many things. Estimi does see him far. Say this stone. Away even no one dege about it total. That's what Stimi saw. Why Stimi quickly rushed into this matter to see how it will make peace. Now, this movement never reduced because Stimi don't see shaking. He don't know say this movement will spread. Now, for all musicians, that was the reason why Stimi made that call. Stimi who pleaded with me to bring me on his live screen. Let's see how we'll settle the issue amicably. You understand? Esther, iye obi sese ukpenosio togo. A useless single mother. Single mother born single pikin. Single pikin born single mother. Hell baba. I a single mother be a single daughter. I Esther. A single mother be a single daughter. Single mother be a single daughter. Okay, bagua. For my wife. Wahala jam rock. Oh God. Esther na di here no gas and your guag bene, your guag bedo, your guag the language. And that's one gbene the comment section. Umenwan no omozo. Then na live videos. Another view with Destiny big. Esther where I may no of your daffy. The same Destiny manawe na we Destiny we have anyway saga you no want saga no we no want saga me no give me what saga we no forget asking. I don't rest. Before I come going on some moment. You understand? Because me and you feel toxins. I know that I push you. And the truth, who pushed Destiny? Now Esther. Esther pushed Destiny. Now I made Destiny play me that voice record. You understand? Person with me and you talk, me do video, me and you talk. We are last at my video, me and you talk. You not tell me say, bro, this video we do so don't like him. If you don't talk to my wife like that, you understand? You call me, you still beg me say, bros, I beg. This one I beg, this movement I beg. I can say this will not be me you want beg. It don't be everybody. You people don't know what they call. They say people stop him. So not be me you want beg. This man, let me advise you, remove body for his side. But the way not marry. That was my destiny talk. Esther! Pump destiny. You understand? Esther, dog, not the Muhammad destiny. La life video, Rovia, Waka. I would destiny here. Destiny, be voice called the government. Men not spark. Esther, Ganya. Without even telling the husband, on a ben statement at them. So one live video. Or live video ni da for okay. In want to saga or there a view no 2000 view very brr. Want to saga. Also the saga with saga Facebook. Me na YouTube. Me na 1.8 years saga on YouTube. You understand? You see this life. O solo bonegi Mario who down. O salo boanegi Mario Maria zen yo wa azen li ho wa azen ya wa azen gbomamo binange star Esther obiazen iye-eki ira obo imonobele azen Esther to ya iyumaka o ma te ya gagazen wa ya se gbo to pian otu we ni pian re o leti pian ri do no o leti ni yede de do gbo leti gbo kan no mama o kan no ina o so ganin imeno me o ko ri gili wa o no maro leti ko di zuwa me na kun leti ni wa yin weti kiss ko ni how do you kiss on the kiss and dance why Christian but why kiss that on the kiss and dance see my teeth before you see me but that woman we mad the woman myself ugly the two of them are the evil feet. No matter letting he ever feel because no he ogi on your down ogi on your down no na soon will no one a buy here Esther the family of Esther now I want really answer you and your family I go to go beat you no be joke ya say but no you destiny ya you no we your arty now we are IT no who are no le wori so yan de go gbe no le wori so yan o ma ti je o ma mi ogbo ya gbebo no ya gba IVF speaking IT no zuwa tenu wa over no de wa gwo egba zangbo se ni egbe dan la bo feku le luwa. Now, if you do, Esther is not a single mother. Confirm to register number. Esther is a single mother with registration number, confirmation code. The same Esther, no one. The same Esther on Zuwara. No wo wiye bien or bien de Shegun out of wedlock Esther ayewu akana amugo ye Stephanie wu Esther wu share the video share am well na small we are congratulating Esther's children to Single Motherhood Association. Please write congratulations to Stephanie. Congratulations to Esther children for being a single mother, testing the taste of a single mother. Now, Esther, no love than Dorovik when you rewebu. Dorovik be a rewebu. You, when a single mother, or when has become what a single mother. Have it in mind. If were in a iye-eki second single mother ni rewebu na ye ora ye ba. Because many single mothers in this abroad, we know they are better than the married women. That one's sure. Some single mothers are better than married women. Some single mothers, because it's not a crime to become single mothers. You understand? But it is in case of Esther, we address it the way it is. Now, if you have the work version video now, you want to tell the people want to start, but you pay no see how. Oye start to pay oye start. Single mother, ete inye naga na mamo, ete otanaga ta mamo. Single mother, ete inye naga na mawe, oga, ete otanaga ta mawe. Ai na bulu kwa. Oye start bienia. Ero wodo. We we say Esther edokpayi. Oye bienia. Oye ero wodo. Oye is not what? A single mother. Ije what be oka single mother. Ukpogeva single mother. Ukpogeha single mother. Ukpogene single mother. Now, ake miego do marry Esther. Do marry destiny. Ogiwe ya marry destiny ana mo ewumuhi. Esther is a man. The womb will decide. Come on. Woman. A womb make a human being what? A woman. Womb. Where they say your womb. Now make you woman. That's what they call a woman. You're supposed to be man. If they remove the womb, you are not a man. Esther is not a man. It's not a woman. As they remove the womb, come on for your body, you don't become man. So now womb make you a woman. If Esther is a wombless woman, that means it's no longer a woman, it's not a man. It's a single mother with stupidity. Some single mother, they have respect for themselves, and for their husband, and for their children, and for their entire family. Single mother also, let's start looking at from that way. Okmanaya one of you give I on the soon be. If you not wish a word ye, or do as soon as you get start. Then I tell you all the destiny less what I le build, you know, far no bigger. A destiny happen where if you leave me, I will buy the destiny capacity lodge or kunuani. Where my way destiny, my love way. Well, not get the destiny. Esther, who is Zuo? I don't know what. Where outside with my way destiny again. Esther. Nusungu okpeana bo misbehave ogari oku okuno negbe. That same woman will be correcting that man, will change the life of that man. Mewe saga gberagbiri bi megiri oku e change smaro one remember what the better way no way amaru what to change, no way amaru what to change. We look at before because why okwoni now is not a woman that talk to her husband, and gradually the more you continue talking, change is one thing that is constant. You understand? So it might not happen one day, but a little time, gradually, it will not happen. But Esther, it was even be the one encouraging destiny. The same Esther will be edokpayi. The audio is will be here. Younger encourage us, that's why. Don't feel yet, don't you know where we go? Now, me ya see one in one jamus on the where we are bonaro in Ubaru say yo only yobo. Hello, is somebody hearing me? If you are hearing me, type amen. Type I hear you, Papa. Now no asikbo loko asakpaka. Ukpokoro gyakpaloge asibo agency. Igesta. Awe mafia we here we bodo. Na iwe na we. No no kien. No be again. At the end of the day, not be again. Okay, so go moda. Another improvement. Akubonesta. Wagumet bobonesta. Nado we. Inside we. Abule. Amabule guy. Ya hewa. Ikwo di bu kan we wo na. Iyan kan gbe. Ti an kan mo re gbo to. But iyan fi wetin yan menwa. Yes so. Ikwo ni bu ni re we bo na. Ni bu wo kan. Iyan fi wetin yan menwa. And ereri mo magba. Now do rest wa. Obiye that ye single mother. You know, we are the same line now. You know, we are against one drag a kiakbana. The way things is going on. You know, we are okay, but see ye kiakba. Ekena ye gbedira. Aye gbese na da nene. Aye ye gbese na da nene o. Nesta obiye yana simi ye kiakba. Iye tahawo si adame ame o iye. Si adame ame o Esther. Iye si adame ame. Geri gume si yodo o. Upa yo wodo re adogbo we si yodo. Esther. Step there against for the next tabon. Iye me si adame ame. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o si yodo. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o si yodo. Si adame ame. Iye me passe we ayo dogu me si yodo me. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o si yodo. Si adame ame. Mama basu sa o iye me. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o si yodo. Si adame ame. Uma seti de word way ya o iye me noge. Si adame ame. Uma seti de word da from way ya o iye me ni iye. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o iye me. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o iye noge. Si adame ame. Bless da from way I o do ni me no ma ganu e. Si adame ame. Mo da from way la tele media o ga gbe o iye me noge. Si adame ame. E ma ye gbori me media de o iye me ni iye. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o egu me si yodo. Si adame ame. Beni re hala de na ba wo ye ga ri o wa. Si adame ame. Are capacity lojo full plug no tu ya golodo. Si adame ame. Iye me si adame ame o iye. Si adame ame. Esther owe onu se do ani yen iye noge. Si adame ame. Iye hu nwe o iye me do da fa owe. Wori mo se si adame ame. Emi nu ya mo destiny. Edo ya mi mo do iye me. Si adame ame. Iye nu ya mo destiny. Edo ya mi mo do iye noge. Si adame ame. Emi nu ya mo destiny. Edo ya mi mo do iye me. Si adame ame. Oda fo me ga daga wode ba. Odo ngaru lele we. Si adame ame. Oda fo me ke do ami na mi we iye me no do. Si adame ame. Emi nu ya mo bi ebagua. Edo ya mo do iye me. Si adame ame. Iye me omugo nu na se na ari ogwa iye. Si adame ame. Uya na nu ya dogun ya omugo iye me niye. Si adame ame. Omugo nu do na ose na nu ari ogwa. Si adame ame. Edo mi mo do iye me niye. Edo mi mo do. Si adame ame. Who goes there? Hello.
Hello, Ipa Frank. Domosa.
I greet you.
Hello.
What?
Domo.
I must greet you.
Ipa, yeah. If you know you met Esther, other people now. Make sure we always say one more thing. Okay, here with social media power. But myself, it all say
Yes.
But one way. On me le ménage ya avec bomakiri abi do we never do give a contract work because the like work with family we do say now I think it's enough now.
Oh baba.
You understand?
No. Bro, some man say fabrica work and contract work. This is fabrica life contract. I may sign Bro, see me sign on life contract you know my brother. Bros, I want back in me. Give me a year best star. I want to beg me so no be lie, don't tell you.
You understand? This parable la baba net to me what do I know where or no more go here wa pe wa.
Oh man, esta mana wune me we mata me tam mo tam we na we se mana wune me we mata na. Bro, no be lie. No be lie.
Oh, I contract you to la baba. When we do say la.
On a life contract.
We actually papa malak wepi otima no we to gbe wa imabola
ti we on amu aburu ne o yo ba no esa
no mami ni otima ya no wa we so ma bi saga before if I party we
iye me so do me o iye no ge so do me iye me so do me o iye me ni so do me iye me so do me o man. I just swing. A saga Esther is quite different from Euro Thomas Top. A saga Esther. There next na saga man. Next na tie boni man. Ona tie bonovi man. We are going to travel. We don't go sena. We travel and we ma home ma watch it. Again next time you boy go when you be mewa. Bros who travel. You travel. Okay, if we again, if we are cage. I don't know. Come on, watch the video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Man, stop. So iye-eki be me. Moka gin. If me are frustrating you, so be there now. Esther, I go frustrate you. Please for your spoil your chain. Mota, argument, megboro mi agboro na ya lawa ya nbie. No. That's how they do my own the two and so live and direct. Where are you? You go see here from me. When you are fuck you up, you fuck you up in Nigeria. On a joke. Why be hurry? And now we bosto Nikirino. Now we bosto we do no. Now here we start. Okay, say. Understand? We are in Nigeria. I've got to talk about unless we are there through. Obo has a da. When we are through, we will not. Media. Let's go there. Don't me here so saga. Make a saga starts the next one saga where he make bolo lega saga we make bolo lega. Me mais one saga where he make bolo lega saga where because bomb here saga because a family we are yo. Yes. Una nomina my saga na for the full plug. Full plug, you know. Esther back rebel ni agbe. Asimo agency no running on your work war. On your baby who stage was one. No we on let's see. Now die there we canopy as a canopy I. The boss yai that way you don't fall. E pardon for. Wa gwo. The family zen. Family la zen muri agweze. Babo ki a fait ku loi patron na tout. Il va bota. Il va bogu. Il va pas avec. Oh, fait ku le loi. Nonsense. Mabu wano. Let's go there. No retreat, no surrender. Asaboro edokpayi. You are now welcome to West. Now welcome to Single Mother Squad Association. We are arguing irrelevable. Of you working single mother. Single mother with stupidity. Single mother zua. Single mother that book big. Esther na shawo. Esther na shiwele. Esther na kwemu. Go and check. When Esther ya le body want to love you. When you love body want to love. Area load them. It just me. One can love. Esther ya boy ya want to love you kweze. One can love Mariette ya una. One can love Marion wa ya una. E one can love ya na gede no yin na do. One can love you na bowa. O ga na gede no yin ne. Ayo bo one can love ya soto. O wi se. Esther do or you come market. From a market or the market. Or call it like market. Why adrena we are who walk buru. We are all buru are you best are you best. Or buru are you best are you. We are was only a market we are just was so why just to me start every 2 days. Esther just do a dog. Do other no ya mwe. One can love na mwedi. Era un sien na ho sien no. Era restaurant. Okoko na la ho na lega. Okoko no yo be mo na yo wa. Nhutan na ho susu na. No la ibi bi wa. No mo a glass je ko dateka. Okoko no lo be ma na yo wa o to no bayi. Ora khiye nyo ko khiye na yeke. Ora khiye nyo ko khiye na yeke. Ora twist nyo ko khiye na yeke. E ma na wa de na nhutan na ho susu. Okoko no lo boy yo wa. No, na lay me go. He says, "You go with Zobo." No, na lay me go. Oh, na lay me na boy you. Oh God. Whoa, talk be. Whoa, oh, he talk be Esther. Oh, talk be Esther. Whoa, we are all talk be Esther. Whoa, okboru we talk be Esther. Iya go the woman no ya you wa. Female chicken. When this product back, we don't pass this man and go live. Unyo ho atogbe. Unyo ho atogbe uya. Unyo ho atogbe uta. Unyo ho atogbe uya. Unyo ho atogbe uta. Igesta ko edokpayi. Era na wazuana. Igerana. Era na hohoana. No way na strong na anwe mo ti bie palo. No way ho na ga gwen. We ha ga ho na ga open na ake bia. Mwa glass de na ko dateka. Bena ko dateka. Ebe na gbele ko na. O ga kyan ho nya, o ga kyan nya. O ga ho nya, o ga kyan nya. You know what we water. Are you sad now? That's the word update. You are laughing. What?
Oh, you may call. Well, I'm here where Iyaga will wear the Iyan. Or second, no, I have been return machine and I watch on our company. One of the video. And the next time I have very and move across where my watch is video. Because if this would tell you, I said, I'm even for me, no question to work one. Where my watching at the Stava, but I might swear that the standing for my testing and I'm in a nice one. So when I was here, my brother was wasted time because Esther Latin, I will like video down your down there. What's a man out here where we're out on a musician who social media, the live video where you're no lava. One studio no ya composing one. Only we are here, nothing saga and a corner and the go. Well, one way walk then I take what we living young who earn and
Ebagua woman. Oh, where my gualo.
I will be called big guy, anyone. Then the massacre, my brother.
Am I supposed to guess that? Esther had to distract him, man. Am I supposed to guess that? If I want my guest time, if you come with the case time where Esther, I'm not going to understand. We never start your saga. We said no to Europe tour. Now the move maybe that one. Said no to Europe tour. So your saga will fit distract us. And the saga we are set. Are you phone here? Agment must go on to chop the flesh and leave the bone. Oh, what does that mean? He ain't that swing. We are going to listen to what off with my brother. That's how the representative me and which I who represent. All we make good you don't buy your hand. Oh, what does that mean? Esther, pros agree. But Esther no woman now. He has ya work. He had near he had near ta. You have your bonnet, big bros. He told him out because we bought our desk time. Sure. Not go for one though. What desk time? We won't start. We won't know when you're here. Or say, what die. You understand? What? So, do you let me know what we bros? We will show you the video. If possible, hello. One of them. I'm making a yes. You're so tired. So to me, hey yo. Baby, you are quick. Hey yo. Wahala le myself. I want not in my own. Maya Gesta. Maya Guaguesta. Ebuna. Kinyaka did not do Zaga on the Guagua. I did not soon with the Neburua. Funye. Yefune. Here you live video. Update. Oh, you might don't update near the update. Yeah, Belwabu. Can we are 24 bits? No more bits. I will name a squad. Ni Gualiku. I will go dead or dead. What are you team? JJ Barry conglomerate. JJ Barry boy at Timuna. Kinyaka when the company can I play Kuni. Only a Kuni low is fabrica work. JJ Barry low is a fabrica work. Other useless, stupid shop promoters. Welcome, baby, na mama sigidi. Ya go. The JJ Barry boy ya ho kan. Ya no that one we ganya we. JJ Barry is going to say goodbye to me kagbo. E de ko ni wa gbase de ken he wa yetu. O ke JJ we so gazia. We mi gazia o ke JJ Barry. We mi gazi. O ke JJ Barry. We mi gazia. Temata. E ki da fu we ti fu we kwa. Ye de ko ye bo ni. Oni ahin we gwo we bedi. O ke JJ Barry. Wo he wa asanya sagale mayo he mayo sagale mayo odigbe ni sagale mayo he mayo sagale mayo odig. We aye se ti enjoy ni he. O wo ke JJ Barry. We aye enjoy ke JJ Barry. Ekani mwe wageni egbo magbe kani ne o wa JJ Barry ta ma gbon no gbe ke yo he Kaya jeje bari yeti ti lobalo. E jeje bari yeti gbo heru yeti. E ba no. Daddy. Owo ke jeje bari. E jeje bari yeti gbo here. Nu we ask ni Tamagbon. Do tamagbon. Owo ke jeje bari. Nu wana ho. Why are you with the yakun go webo? Why are you with the dokun go webo? Obo gbuwa wa winner. Why want document? Why legacy we have to Nigeria dey obodo do arego. Ave human trafficker. Why you a document ni winner webo? Nu we yakun go. Nu wa vie be usually for free of time wa doge. Nu wa na yin ya amigo. Obo ga je. JJ Baba, JJ Pribi, JJ blah blah blah, JJ blah 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 blah, Apollo, possible. I want to do it. We had a festival and Aproko. Edo festival and Aproko. Edo festival and Aproko. Edo festival and Aproko. Edo festival and Aproko in Paris. Edo festival Beluwa. Why are we now? Amawa Edo festival. We don't need Edo festival. Say no to Edo festival. Go and use your document to work. Why do you go? You guys are not promoting the Edos. We are promoting the culture. We are promoting Edo culture. Babarasi nuabude egwa Edo. Babarasi egwa Edo. Etiosa egwa Edo. What is the essence of bringing people of us not to speak the language to people in abroad? If you don't know what you guys are doing, you guys are fraudsters. Using all those Nollywood artists to fraud people in abroad. Say no to Edo Festival Award. Useless Edo Festival Award. Useless Edo Festival Award. How does that show affect Edo people in abroad positively? Tell the world. JJ, sit on your live screen and educate the people about the Edo Festival Award. Educate us and start displaying proof to us. Display proof. Show us where you see sons and daughters of Edo land speaking Benin fluently in your show. In that same UK, iye-eki, even the English one on the people in the UK, the access of Bagwazo, iye-eki, Bagwanik. You got to Natia Yegwa. Omagwaze the Wegwa. 24 bits Bagwaze do was Egwa. Oh, ya full leg Begwa. Oh, yeah, full leg. And now what we are doing? They want to promote the culture. How are you guys now promoting the culture? You can't even speak the language. You can't even speak the language. Why Yarego? What do I promote the culture? You guys are promoting nothing. You guys are a bunch of fools. Send out to a festival award. One egg was Zedun. One egg my what do I promote the culture? Why we show? Nothing you are teaching people in that show. Apart from spraying money to you guys. Show our show. Now, BD. This is a Edo Festival Award. Practicing our culture and tradition. Nothing like that in that event. All the events people are doing, nothing like our tradition is being practiced. Except spray money. Mama dollar, we're going to give it. Mama dollar, no way UK. Mama dollar, Yaro, iye, Mama dollar, we're most of now. Who hate this one? Updates no more. Only I don't culture. And they ask now, is that the promotion of our custom and tradition? Fools. You guys are not promoting our tradition. You guys should go to your house and sit down. Go to your house and sit down. The only people near they really promote Benin culture or Edo Junior, Day Junior Festival, and then with Roma, where you see children coming out to sing with Edo language. Children born here in Europe coming out to sing, use Edo language to sing, talk the Edo language, the greeting Edo language. These are the custom and tradition. These are the people that they are promoting our tradition, promoting our language, our heritage, dressing like as our traditions demand. with our traditional attires, display our culture, cultural dance. Now, Roma here for those young. 124 bits. Even Barbares, here the Uwe, Edo Festival and Award. Etinosa, 124 bits. Devinetiosa, here the Uwe, Edo Festival and Award. One JJ Barry. What they ever? What is their performance? How are they going to promote our culture? How are they promoting our culture? Hello? No one the champion. Hello? And the blah blah blah. Won't come blah blah now. Won't come blah blah now for UK. It won't come UK, come blah 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 now for UK. They go consider spray money. Right? That's the promotion of our culture. Who are we here? Tell them say our I don't clear. Tell them say our I don't open. No. Tell them say our I don't clear. Tell them say our I don't open. No. Our I don't clear. We don't see clear now. Why is that you fool man? You are fool our women for so long. Oh yes, you guys are fool our women for so long. All in the name of Edo culture, using it to blackmail our women, collect money from them. At the end of the day, you bring this jargon's musician to start playing music, then spray, pack the money for your own selfish interest. The people that came to that show, they go home empty. No award, no gift. How many people you have given an award to? Edo Festival Award. I ask for that for the full Europe. We say, I go Edo Festival Award, they give me an award as one of the best Edo speaker, as one of the best Edo promoter, as one of the best this one. What do you mean by Edo Festival Award? How many individuals you have given an award to? Oh, somebody now, Aproko come. Today's Edo Festival Award. So who's the best people that answer, the best person that answer this question in Edo language will get this award? Is there anything like your show? Is there anything like that in your show? Who is the first Oba in Edo State? Who is the first Oba? No, all these things will be said with Edo language. Edo Festival and Award, not the English Festival and Award. It is called Edo Festival and Award, not English Festival and Award. How many times have you guys seen Edo, or whatever Edo Festival and Award? You now sat down. Then, eventually, the moderator or the MC of the occasion definitely is going to use Edo language all through. It's an Edo Festival and Award, not English Festival and Award. Barbares, let me take Barbares as the MC. Barbares not to speak with me. No. Now, Edo Festival and Award. Now the moderator or the MC will not pick up it. Everything will be written on the notes. Now the first person will go to the audience. My own wahala. Otano cow na hinia where obo cow tita eni natie oba cow. 2 I will not achieve a tag ma duk bonama ovora me adikaba. Simple. 3 don't know tita de abokabe. No si okwebo, they go for rame. Simple. You understand? All these things will bring you are bringing the Edo culture back. The history of Edo land. You are bringing it. You bringing it to the memory of our people in the diaspora. But nothing like that. Judge and Republic, nothing like that. They are also doing all they are doing for their greatness, for their selfish interests. And they will expect us to promote that. We say no to Edo Festival Award. No, we'll not stand up. They go sleep. There will be fire in the mountain. They will keep quiet as if they are not abroad. But when it comes to their own selfish interest, hello. You are hearing you loud and clear. Wato. You see? What all? You see, huh? This is how a Edo festival is supposed to go. Supposed to go. Even our children would like this festival will be not just the adult alone, but the kids. It's should be mostly for the children. Edo festival and what mostly supposed to be for the children born here. The children born here to learn. This will be interesting. Next year, everybody will start teaching their children how to speak the language. Everybody will start teaching their children home on how to speak the language. When you watch it on your TV, oh, this is how I do festival and award go. Ooh. Now, Mr. Mike, now your daughter carry the award. They give her an award plus 2,000 euro. Oh, yeah, but if you not go teach your Pikin Benin language for your house, some for America say, well, why is Zebo? Why is Italy? Well, why is Zebo? Many women will start teaching their children how to speak the language. That's how to promote the culture, promote the language. Our children here will not start speaking Benin. Because they don't say, next year, Edo Festival and Award, we will all go there. We will all go there. Sponsor will start to come to sponsor the show. Because it will be a massive show. Once in a year, we will all go there to go and grace the occasion.